So let us discuss the difference between weight and mass. So no matter where I am in the universe, my mass stays the same. Okay, I have a mass of 92 kilograms. Now I'm really careful. I'm just saying 92 kilograms because mass is measured in kilograms. Okay, grams or kilograms. Let's just stick to kilograms. Doesn't matter if I'm on Earth, on the moon, or I'm next to a black hole. My mass is going to stay exactly the same. However, my weight changes. Now, the best way to show this is to show weight is equal to mass times gravity. That means there's a relationship between the weight and the mass. And this is often why people get these two confused. Weight is created by gravity. So on the Earth, my gravity is more than the gravity on the moon because there's different masses. The Earth is much bigger, has much more gravity. The moon is much smaller, has less gravity. So on Earth, my mass is going to be the same, but my weight is going to be more on the Earth when it's compared to the moon. So wherever there's more gravity, there's going to be more weight. But mass throughout the whole solar system will stay the same. Now, weight is measured in newtons. Now, you now are seeing that this equation, weight equals mass times gravity, is very similar to force equals mass times acceleration. The gravity is the acceleration, the weight is the force, and the mass is the same as the mass over here. So mass is not a force, but weight is a force. Now, gravity, you usually take it as 10, and that is the gravitational field strength. Now, on Earth, this is newtons per kilograms. You know the units because you know that gravity is the same as saying weight divided by mass. If you rearrange the previous equation of weight equals mass times gravity, if you say that the weight is newtons and the mass is kilograms, isn't the units for gravity just newtons divided by kilograms? Now, try and remember this. So try and remember as gravity as 10 on Earth. So if I told you I have a mass of 92 kilograms, my weight is going to be mass times gravity. The mass is 92, the gravity is 10, multiply those two out, and you get 920 newtons. If I told you my weight is 800 newtons on Earth, and the gravity on the moon is 1.6 newtons per kilogram, and on Earth, the gravity is 10 newtons per kilogram, what would my weight be on the moon? Now, there's several different ways to work it out, but I'll show you one way. Weight equals mass times gravity. So we know my weight is 800. We know on Earth, the gravity is 10. So the mass is just going to be 800 divided by 10, which means my mass is 80 kilograms. So it doesn't matter if I'm on the Earth or on the moon, my mass is going to stay the same. So my weight on the moon will be weight equals mass times gravity. Don't forget, mass stays the same, so it's still going to be 80. My gravity on the moon is less, so this is equal to 128. And this is going to be newtons because weight is measured in newtons.